Hello, dear audience. I was wondering, how are you feeling right now? It's been a long day listening to multiple companies and learning about innovative projects. I'm sure you are tired. And the companies are responsible, or at least partially responsible for your fatigue. But what about the place you are now? What about the air you are breathing? Is all of it also responsible? Yes, indeed, they are. It's summer and maybe the window close to you, it's open. But what if not? An inadequate ventilation leads to high percentage of CO2, meaning that we will feel discomfort. We will be tired and bored. Do you remember when you were a kid and you were at school? After a few hours, the environment was dense and it was quite hard listening to the teacher. We should have blamed the CO2 level by then, not our lack of interest in the topics. But it's not only about CO2. A safe and healthy environment can be guaranteed by tracking different factors such as temperature, humidity, volatile organic components, and others, and acting quickly to correct deviations. We are living a quite complex time after COVID crisis. We all want to be saved, to feel safe. We all want to be sure that there is no risk of contagion while visiting a public place or going to work. In this context, how can Enerbrain help you achieving it? Enerbrain solves all these issues, making your living environment comfortable without the pollution or energy waste, by improving the regulation of the existing HVAC systems thanks to artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. Let's see how it works. We use a set of sensors like this one, an algorithm, some actuators, and the dashboard, easily installed into an existing building with no need for cabling or renovation. The sensors continually measure temperature, humidity, CO2, and sell all this data to the cloud. Inside our cloud server, our powerful algorithm analyzes the data and calculates the optimal parameters using machine learning to improve energy over time. Our cloud system sends these values to the actuators, which make the HVAC system more efficient. You can monitor and control this data flow in real time by using our configurable dashboard accessible online or through a mobile app, allowing you to manage multiple buildings at once. Here you have some examples. Buildings using Enerbrain today have reduced energy bills by up to a third. We talk about hospitals, airports, production plants, or hypermarkets, which are the aim of our pilot project in Bind 4.0 framework. We are looking for a full shopping experience, improving the indoor comfort while reducing the HVAC energy consumption. Here you can see the effect of the energy cloud in improving comfort. We know that nowadays you are not only concerned about indoor comfort, but also the air quality. In particular, we are all sensitive concerning the risk of contagion COVID. That's why we have also modified our algorithm to manage the HVAC system following the International Association recommendations. Install Energy Cloud and you will choose the operation mode among the anti-COVID mode, energy savings mode, or bypass mode. I hope you have all considered interesting our solution. Before finishing my presentation, I would like to introduce the team making possible this technology and its continuous upgrades. We are a team of 50 experts based in different locations from Tokyo to Barcelona, from Dubai to Turin. Since 2015, we have been awarded multiple times. However, our greatest award has been the trust of the multiple top companies that have already implemented our technology in-house or with their clients. Among them, I would like to highlight Eroski and Ondoan, our fellow travelers in this edition of the Bind program. They will tell you more about our common project and the next steps. And with 3 seconds to go, I would like to encourage you contacting us for a quick estimation of savings we can provide in your facilities. Thanks a lot.
Ondoan, belonging to the Mondragon Corporation, is a business group dedicated, among other activities, to the provision of energy services. Its Ondoan objective, they participate together with its clients in the application of the best practices existing in the market, in order to establish long-term relationship models. In collaboration with Ondoan Promotion Center that coordinates the Blind platform, the Enerbrain equipment has been installed in order to evaluate the energy savings of the solution as well as the economic viability of the implementation of the system.
At Eroski, we make a continuous effort to minimize the externalities that our activity has on the environment. In order to achieve this, we transmit our commitment to protect the environment to all our stakeholders. The participation of Eroski at Bind Accelerator program allowed us to connect with best-in-class startups aligned with our sustainability goals. In fact, the collaboration with Enerbrain is a good example of this. The optimization of the energy consumption of our stores is part of our sustainable development strategy, and by this pilot with Enerbrain, we aspire to manage our climate equipment in a smarter way while testing cutting-edge technologies, reducing the energy consumption, and improving the in-store conditions for our customers.